Hi there, my name is Kamil Sukayev. I represent the government of independent Tatarstan in exile based in New York, United States. First of all, I'd like to thank the Jamestown Foundation, the Delphi Global Research Center, and the Free Nation of the Post-Russia Forum for the opportunity to take part in this discussion. Tatarstan is not just an administrative region within Russia. It's a nation with a rich history, language, and culture. We existed long before the Russian Empire, and we have managed to preserve our identity despite ongoing pressure and repression. Today, like many other native peoples, we are asking, what comes after the Russian Federation? What might a post-imperial future look like? And what role can my people, the Tatars, play in that future? We are not seeking conflicts. We are speaking about the right to self-determination, about decentralization, and about giving people the ability to shape their own destinies. This is not about revenge or destruction. It's about building a future based on respect, dialogue, and equal opportunity. I hope our voice will be heard and that the Tatar people, like many others, will have a real chance to thrive freely in a fair and open post-imperial world. Thank you very much, and see you on June 12th in Washington, D.C.